Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Monday Measures. And today I'm going to make a roasted chicken salad. It's made with bone-in chicken thighs. It's keto. So as you all know, I'm doing keto. But I mean, all these recipes are good for everybody. Some of the ingredients are not real clean because I don't have the ingredients, like the mayonnaise. Oh, you know. I mean, mayonnaise is made with sugar, but it's got 0 grams of sugar in it. You know, 0 carbs. There's not enough to count. So, you know, we're just using a little bit. And we're going to put it on cloud bread, which is eggs. I'm pretty sure there's nothing else in the cloud bread, just spices. I was talking to somebody about that today because I was going to come home and make it. And I'm not going to put the cloud bread in this video. I'll look and see if I did it for a Monday Measures before. And if I did, I'll link it. And if I didn't, maybe I'll do it for Monday Measures. But you can find that recipe anywhere online. It's kind of, you got to be real careful how you make it. But yeah, so we're going to get our chicken thighs going, and I'll show you what I'm going to be using for the recipe first. So here's our ingredients. The chicken thighs, it calls for 10, and there just happens to be 10 in that package. And we're going to roast those up. And olive oil, bacon. You know, I don't have fresh bacon. So I don't have fresh parsley either. So parsley, chives. And this is what I usually try to get for parsley around here. This or those other ones in the little containers. Celery, and then the lemon juice goes in the chicken, and then all the rest of these ingredients are for the dressing that we're going to use. So you're going to have lemon in the chicken and lemon in the dressing. We'll get to it. So we drizzled it with oil, and we put some seasoning on there. You can use whatever seasoning you want. You can use salt, pepper. I put some butter seasoning. It's gonna bake at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Oh, and I got some extra drumsticks that were left over from another recipe. Yummy! Our chicken is all baked, and we're gonna let it cool, and then we'll take all of the meat off for our chicken salad. Okay, so I was making the cloud bread. Well, I haven't made it yet, but I was cracking the eggs to make the cloud bread for the chicken salad, and I figured, you know what? I am gonna use a separate bowl, because every once in a while I'll break the yolk, but very, very rarely will I ever break the yolk. And the way things are going, it's just been one of those kind of weeks. I figured I'll use a separate bowl. And thank goodness, because I broke 2. Not just 1, I broke 2. So we'll get the cloud bread in the oven so I can make the rest of the chicken salad. Oh, I ran my chicken through the food processor. I'm gonna spare you guys the, skin off and peeling this chicken off the bones. But that's a huge bowl, and that's 10 chicken thighs. So it didn't specify the size of the thighs or how many pounds or anything. It just said 10 chicken thighs. And I think that's going to be a little too much. But I'm going to need a bigger bowl to mix it. I got like a shiny thing across there. Yeah, the dogs have been outside for about an hour. And I let them in. And now they're panting. So excuse the panting if you hear it. I'm just prepping a bunch of this stuff. I didn't have enough fresh parsley, so I got some fresh parsley in there, and then I put some celery tops in there. And then I've got some dried parsley in there. And then I'm gonna chop up some celery and then mix all this chicken salad stuff together. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna try to get it in a bigger bowl. I'll put the dressing in the bigger bowl because that's gonna then all be mixed together. So. Okay, we're gonna cut this celery up into little bits. I used to hate the texture of celery in anything. That and onions, they had to be cooked. But now I like it. It's crazy how your tastes change. When my kids were little, and they didn't like something, I always told them, try it, keep trying it, because people prepare it differently. It could change the taste over the season. There are all different reasons that taste can change. I mean, even your taste can change. Depends on what you've been eating. Oh, Mary. Pants, 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 pants. That one's over there. Crunch, 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 crunch. And I stuck the stand in the chicken. What a day. No wonder I broke 2 egg yolks. Okay, we're going to put everything in the chicken. So, my chopped celery, my fake parsley. Well, there's some real parsley in there. It's supposed to be 3 tablespoons. So, and then about 3 tablespoons of chives. I probably would put green onions in there if I had them, but I don't have them. 4 slices of bacon. So I got this Costco stuff. Oh my gosh, I just need to take that out of there. So just taste to your liking. And then it calls for pecans too, but Heather's allergic to nuts, so we're gonna add pecans later when Mary and I have it. And I don't have any fresh lemons either. It calls for a juice of half a lemon. And you know me, I don't measure too well. So, I do everything by eye. So if you want to do it the right way, you would figure out the instructions. Okay, now we're going to put together the dressing. No wonder why it wanted you to use full fat, sugar-free mayonnaise because it takes a whole cup. But that's a lot of chicken. I didn't see how many servings it was gonna make. I mean, look at the recipe. What? It says it makes 5 servings. There is no way. No way. That's a lot of chicken salad. We'll see what it comes up like when I put it all together. Ugh. Okay. And again, the juice of 1 lemon. So 1 teaspoon of tamari. Half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Oh, sesame oil. A half a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of stone ground mustard. And it calls for tahini, but I don't have any tahini either. So we're gonna use the sunflower butter because it's got kind of a bitter taste to it. Kind of like tahini. I mean, tahini's not bitter and neither is the sunflower, but you know, it's different. A little bit of salt. You can put some pepper in there if you want to. We'll give that a good mix. So that's all mixed up. We're gonna put our chicken salad in there because this bowl's bigger. I think I'm gonna put half of it in there and stir it. Kippy smells the chicken. We've been doing all these chicken recipes, and so he thinks he's gonna get some of everything. Well, I thought I was gonna have to add some more because that chicken looked like a lot, but it looks like it's a pretty good consistency. And like I said, it calls for pecans, which Mary and I like. We actually like to chop up grapes and put grapes in our chicken salad too. The red grapes. Ta-da! There, I got rid of the smudgy. Yeah, I usually like to have my chicken salad set for a couple hours at least before we eat it. You know, I like to make it ahead of time because usually if I'm making it for, you know, like a weekend or a potluck or something like that. But we're hungry. We're gonna eat it right now. And my cloud bread is done. Doesn't that look good? It's so delicious. So we'll use 2 of these and put the chicken salad in the middle. And it's a great sandwich. I will put the recipe to the cloud bread in the not the description, I'll pin it to the top of the comments. That is another video, so you'll want to go get the recipe from that one. This was a pretty involved recipe, but I think it went pretty quick. I don't know how many clips there are here. But, I'll call Mary and we'll make some sandwiches. So Mary said she didn't want a sandwich right now. So they just took a walk, her and Heather. So she's gonna have something else for dinner, and then she said she's gonna take the chicken salad for lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, I was gonna have something just a little on the lighter side. Whole sandwich is a lot right now.
Yeah.
It looks so good though.
So there it is. There's the chicken salad sandwich. That cloud bread is so fluffy.
It's my favorite.
Mm-hmm. We don't make it that often. I mean, it's actually really easy to make, except for breaking the yolks. I was so glad that I put them in different bowls, because I was on the 3rd egg when I broke that yolk. If I would have had it all in the same bowl, I would have been so mad. Well, they're big eggs. I probably would have picked a bunch out, because the recipe said it makes 8 cloud breads. Because I use such big eggs, I usually get 10. It's really good. I like the flavor. I really like the flavor. I would, if I was making chicken salad myself, I wouldn't put as much stuff in there. But the bacon, the stone ground mustard, you can taste it. Tastes really good.
Can't find the words, just delicious.
Just delicious. Okay. Even Kippy wants some. He's down here.
Keep your sandwich. You gotta look up for the people.
There's the Kippy face.
He's just staring at the sandwich.
Yeah, he's like, just give me the sandwich.
How is this close?
He stole something off of the computer desk the other day. There was a little piece of chicken there waiting, and usually he's good about just staying there, and he'll look at it, but he actually stole it. So yeah, he wasn't supposed to yet. He's supposed to wait.
So he tells me. He have to be, but he's sad. He was like,
yeah, he's so sassy.
Yeah.
He's so sassy. All right. I'm going to go finish the rest of my sandwich, and there's your Monday measures. And don't forget, if you want to make the cloud bread to do this, it's going to be pinned to the top of the comments. All right. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.